Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to change your wallpaper on a LENOVO Tablet K11 Plus. To change your wallpaper, you have to swipe down from the top of your screen, go into Settings, Personal Customization, and here you can choose from many wallpapers there are on the device. Let's choose this one for example, Set as Wallpaper, and here you can choose to set it as a screen wallpaper, desktop wallpaper, or both. I'll set it as both. And now, if we return to the home screen, you can see we have the wallpaper. And if we power off and back on, there's our new lock screen. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.